100 years ago, three-wheeled vehicles, called cyclecars by the Brits who basically invented them, were a staple on European roads. More comfortable than a motorcycle and less expensive than an automobile, they were a practical transportation solution, swarming city streets and country roads until the species became extinct with the advent of cheaper cars and a prosperous post-World War II economy. Today, the three-wheel experience is one that begs exploration by driving enthusiasts. Offering the exhilaration of a motorcycle but with greater stability and protection, sporting three-wheelers like the Vanderhall Venice take the four-wheeled roadster concept to the extreme and deliver unbeatable fun per pound per dollar. Priced from $29,950, the 2017 Vanderhall Venice is a thoroughly modern machine, constructed in Provo, Utah, by a passionate group of gearheads. Its mono-aluminum chassis is light and strong, and cradles a GM Lov 1.4-liter. Turbocharged inline-4 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. A formed composite body wraps the whole machine and has a slightly retro look, think Lotus 7. Pushrod suspension, brakes, and a standard trio of aluminum 18-inch wheels are straight out of the 21st century. Weighing just 1,375 pounds dry, the Vanderhall Venice has a power-to-weight ratio that gives an impressive 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 4.5 seconds. Comfortable twin bucket seats, heated, fit large frames and twin-roll hoops provide added safety. A real windscreen makes piloting the Vanderhall a civilized affair, especially with a toasty heater and 600-watt Bluetooth sound system. Twist the turnkey ignition, excite the Lov engine's throaty growl, and snick the left-hand shift knob into drive. The steering response is instantaneous, and the road rushing by so close to the open cockpit gives the Venice a go-kart feel. Curving roads are a delight and even straight open highway is an adventure. Just remember to watch out for potholes. With two wheels in front and only one in the rear, it's nearly impossible to avoid one.